Hi everybody, in this video I'll show you how can you fix HomePod mini won't connect to Wi-Fi. If the HomePod mini won't connect to Wi-Fi, then you could try a couple of these steps in order to fix it. So first of all, you could always check for network mismatch error. So this means that your iPhone is not in the same Wi-Fi as one of your HomePod must connect with. This applies specifically if your iPhone's mobile data is still active and take priority in terms of connection speed over your household Wi-Fi as well. The other thing you could also do is change the HomePod's Wi-Fi. Now what you have to do is, although the 5G Edge carrier must connect speed, it is also heavier and may have trouble traveling through a solid surfacial wall as well. In order to change the HomePod mini's Wi-Fi, you want to open the HomePod app on your Home app on your iPhone. Then go to HomePod's dashboard, then click on the gear icon for the settings. And you want to simply click on Move HomePod to Wi-Fi name. And now that you'll be prompted to a specific new Wi-Fi network for your HomePod, and that should be able to help. If the issue still persists on, you could also try unplugging the HomePod supply. So it takes between 30 to 60 seconds to discharge the HomePod's power supply after the power adapter is disconnected. This won't erase any of the settings, only reboots the system's or device's operating system. To power cycle the HomePod mini, unplug the power adapter from both ends and wait for it back, and once again then plug it back in and see that fixes your issue or not. The other thing you would also do is run the full network diagnostic. The average Wi-Fi network speed both the standard HomePod and HomePod mini needs is between 2 and 5 MB download or upload per speed. If your network speed is anywhere below these values, the speaker may refuse to connect with the Wi-Fi as well. In order to fix it, so the other thing you could also do is solutions for a week. You could also try reconnecting or restarting your router. See that fixes your issue or not. So these are the couple of things you could try. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.